Good afternoon mga kanayon, mga ka-townshippers natin dyan. This is Joelito Sway. And I heard sorry about that. Just tired. I heard that in the Philippines, the Senate building is under attack by, they don't know who did that. So it's a chaos over there, and nobody got hurt, I think, but there's a lot of gunshots fired, and they didn't know who attacked them. And sorry again. And yeah, they didn't know who attacked the Philippine Senate. It's probably because they changed the leadership. The president, the Senate president, the Tutas Soto, who was replaced by the lawyer Alan Cayetano. So it's crazy. It's probably the guy Tutas Soto got bumped from his being president because he's a power trip guy and he loves money, I believe. I don't know. Allegedly, he receives the maleta thing. Allegedly. So, di umano. So, his butt hurts right now. He's conniving with I don't know who, allegedly. So it's crazy. It's crazy back home. Imagine the government building got attacked and gunshots were fired, and it's so crazy. Good thing nobody got hurt or nobody got killed. But still, you know, first time in the history that a Senate building got attacked and gunshots were fired, and we'll find out who did that sooner or later, probably. Just tune in to the news. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye.